Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. You can see the blog right now. Hmm. Can you see my Salesforce like trailhead?
We can see the PDF that you shared in the WhatsApp.
Oh, you can see the blog now. Okay. Now,
Yeah.
okay.
Okay.
Let me launch my playground. Then let me go to the object accounts object. Then set one of the account object. Click on details. Now, just account number you can write. You can create right account number. You can give it any like number and save it. Okay, it will get saved. Now, like this, users are giving any numbers. Now you want the users to give only 4 numbers only. If a user enters fifth number or sixth number, you should not accept. Okay, or let us say 8 numbers only. Eight characters. If you see the password when you are entering the password or username in any of the application form or Facebook for sign up page, in registration process, if you enter some 10 digits, after 10 digits, it will tell you that you can only enter 5 characters or 8 characters. Okay, you will see that scenario, right? That is called a validation rule, input validation rule. Whenever users are entering the values into your form, this is nothing but form, right? Creating or editing form of your one of the record in the Salesforce. Now, this form is where user gives their input. You can restrict the users that you can only enter these many digits or you can only give numerics. Suppose 1 second. Here also I can give any of the numbers. Now here SIC code is there. SIC code I am giving. What I am giving is IC code, numbers with characters. So it is getting saved now. Okay, it is getting saved. Now I don't want this. What I want to do is I want to create a validation rule. So where I can go to do anything related to the administration, I have to go to the object manager. Inside this object, on which object I want to do the what you call, I want to do validation rule on account object. So I have to go to account object, then click on validation rules. So to the side, we have like fields and relationship now. So if you go down, you have the validation rules. So click on the validation rules, click on new validation rule, click on new validation rule. Then just a type rule name is nothing but account number, account number, some 8 character. Just you can give any name. I'm giving here account number 8 character. Now description, I'll just leave it as this. Now like this you have to write the formula. Okay, like this you have to write the formula. Now let me write length of, okay, instead of this one, let me, one second now. This one. This is called functions. As we know, the functions in the JavaScript, in Salesforce validation rules, formula fields also, there is something called as functions. These functions, how you write a function? Write a function, then in the parenthesis you pass a value, no? In the parenthesis you pass a value. Which value you have to pass? On the account, you want to make account number, no? So you pass account number. So what this length function will do is, it will take the account number and will find the length of the account number, and it checks whether it is 8. No errors found. Whether it is 8 or not, we check. Whenever the validation rule or is like getting failed, or like whenever a user is not entering the correct result, correct data, then what message you have to print? Let's say account number must be 8 characters long. Okay. Now let's save it. Okay, it's clear. Now let me go to the object manager, then click on reload. Now go to the details. Now just go to the account number. Let's take some numbers. Save it. You got the error? So
Yeah.
this is called validating the data or validation rules on an object. Now let me enter 10 results. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me enter 8 results. 8. So 8, it is accepting. Now let me enter only few results. Again error, because we mentioned it is not less than nor greater than. Is it clear? It is not if it is a less than or greater than 8, then print the error. Okay, so that's why we got the error. So it is checking length of account number. If the length of account number is neither less than 8 nor greater than 8, then it is printing the error. If it is equal to 8, then no error. Validation rule is success. So we'll get the data will be getting saved. Data will get saved. This is called validation rule. Okay. Clear? Questions? Now, knowing this is very simple. Implementing different validation rules is tough. So these functions you have to know. These
This one,
fields. Hmm?
after inserting function and also account number, like inserting operator, this less greater than symbol 8 should also is it also a function, or should we write it?
It's like operator.
Okay.
It's like
So
operators.
operator only it gives an options.
Yeah, in the operator you will get an option. Not equal to. Not equal means what? It is not less than or greater than. Okay. So if a user, if suppose if I write here less than 8. So what happens? Check for syntax. The syntax is clear. Now let me go here, reload this page. I have given that length of account number if it is less than 8, then print the error. If it's greater than 8, no error. Minimum 8 characters should be there. That is the validation rule. Account number. So less than 8 means 4 only I am giving. We got the error. Instead of 4, if I enter, it is getting saved. Means now what happened? It is accepting the values greater than 8, but not below 8, because for below 8, we printed the error. Clear questions? If you don't have any, yeah, tell me.
If you are writing length less than 8, it should accept right in error condition formula.
Validation rule is like if this is true, then print the error, not accept the error.
Okay.
Means you have to think that this is checking. If this is getting true, then it will print the error.
Okay.
Okay, it is like condition to print the error, not to accept actually. Validation rules are like you have to think in a different way. Okay. If you write less than 8, means if any data is less than 8 is not accepted. Like that. Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm sharing the trial head page and learn it. Okay. Trial head page. Just go through the details and learn it. Okay. Now, where this will end the class. Complete the validation rules. Complete the formula fields. Then you have one more left inside this module, that is roll up summary fields, that is related to the master data relationship. Just tomorrow read and come the master data relationship. 1 second means practice. Create a master, create a detail, create the fields in details, create the fields in master. Okay. Okay. So if you have questions, let me know. If not, I'll leave.
No, but we should practice those functions again if I have
Yes.
any.
Yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be available. Don't message to this WhatsApp. Actually, my other phone is having some issue. So you have my number, right? My own number. So to that you can message. Okay.
Yeah.
The sensitive number phone is having some issue. So only if I open the mobile and check for WhatsApp, then only the messages are getting loaded. Okay.
Okay.
So I can't see them. Okay. Bye.